Welcome to Karreno's kitchen. Today we're gonna be making winter crunch salad. Let's begin. If you could see, I have lots of veggies and fruits that I want to put into the salad. And I also had some leftover chicken and I thought I'd utilize it to make the dish better, so to say. We got a cabbage, we got pears, apples, we got avocado, we got cucumbers and persimmons. And to top it off, we have a beautiful goat cheese with cranberries and my very own honey balsamic sauce. To start with, let's create the base. Cabbage it is. Let's make this cabbage happy. Cut it from the middle, and then we're gonna take this hard part out. Cabbage is gonna give it a really nice crunch. What I also do, I also quarter it, and then we're gonna do it into these little tiny pieces. Go as thin as possible. All right, and we're gonna take it here, put it in the bowl. Beautiful. And then we're gonna do the other half. Now, because cabbage could be a little harsh, we're gonna massage it a little bit. Okay, we're gonna drizzle some avocado oil on it. Perfect. And then we're gonna massage the cabbage for about 1 minute until it gets nice and soft. Beautiful. Once you're done, now your hands are soft and buttery. I mean, the cabbage is soft and buttery. You can move on to the next stage. Next, we're gonna add some baby arugula, about 4 to 5 ounces. I usually just get these little containers and I just use the whole thing. Next, we're gonna go to Persian cucumbers. I really like Persian cucumbers because you can easily use the skin. Just cut the sides. Cut the cucumbers into quarters. Careful not to cut yourself. And then we're gonna start chopping it up. So let's go ahead and put this in the bowl. Well, next we're gonna start adding the fruit to add some color. Over here we got some orange persimmons. Beautiful. And you want these to be a little chunkier to have that full crunch. I usually get them pretty flat. So about this size. These are very crunchy. We're gonna do about 2-3 of them. We're gonna use some baby apples. Cut in half. Take out the middle part. Okay. And just chop it into like smaller pieces. Boom. Now we have some orange, we have some red, we have some green, and we're gonna add one more color. A different kind of red. Now we're gonna add pears. There. And lastly, we add 1 avocado to it. And this is gonna create beautiful creaminess. Take a little spoon. And right. Okay. Now that we have all the fruits cut, we're gonna add all the ingredients that are gonna make this salad a bomb. One, we have the chicken, so we're gonna debone the chicken and put it into little pieces. We're gonna add some pink lemons, some avocado oil, and the cheese. So first I'm gonna start with the lemon. So use a whole lemon for this. We're gonna add the oil, a little bit more since we already had it. And lastly, we're gonna get the cheese done. Because the goat cheese is super creamy, we're gonna just put into little chunks, and that cranberry is gonna give it beautiful, beautiful texture and sourness to it. And lastly, we're gonna add the chicken and drizzle it with honey balsamic, and we'll be good to go. Voila. So take a piece of chicken, just get rid of the bones and the skin, and we want to use the white meat, so just use smaller pieces. Lastly, we're gonna add some honey balsamic to this. Look at this. Boom. Beautiful. And this is ready to be mixed. Before we start mixing, let's add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And now we mix. Get all these beautiful colors together with a really pretty crunch. Now you can add as many fruits and vegetables as you want, but the list of ingredients will be listed on karrenoskitchen.com. Also, I'll go ahead and post my honey balsamic glaze recipe on there as well. And here we have it, our winter crunch salad is ready.